How to log out Trust Wallet account in 2 minutes. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial. If you want to log out of Trust Wallet account, then firstly, go ahead and open the Trust Wallet application on your device. You will be led to the home page of Trust Wallet. On the top left of your screen, you will see the settings button. Tap on that and then tap on Wallets. You will see 3 dots there. Tap on that and then before moving ahead, make sure that you have made a backup. You can back up through iCloud or manually too. Once you have ensured the backup, tap on the delete button you see on the top right of your screen. In the pop-up that appears, tap on delete again. You will get the notification for backing up your secret phrase again. So if you have not backed up already, then go ahead and make a backup. If you have backed up already, then tap on Proceed Anyway option. You will be asked to enter your passcode or your Face ID. So go ahead and do that, and with this, you will be logged out of Trust Wallet. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.